So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are sharing some Teachers Day gifting ideas. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful for you, totally useful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Teachers Day gifting ideas. So what presents you can give your teacher on 5th of October such as Teachers Day. So in this video, there's a lot of ideas. For example, you can give them a bouquet, flower bouquet, some kind of chocolate bouquet. You can also give them some pastries, some bento cakes. These are also superb ideas. You can give them some chocolates. Even you can make a handmade cards, which I already upload a video on handmade cards, so you can go and check that video. And even you can make such kind of baskets, you can make such kind of boxes that look so attractive. And guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, so you whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos and watch the video and select the idea that you like the most and made for your teacher. Teachers Day is the most special day in students life, so please celebrate this event and celebrate this day. And guys, hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.